What's up, guys? I just wanted to fill you in and let you guys know what's going on with the drift truck. So, oh no. Put it back, please. Put it back up! Well, anyway, I cut the front end off because I want to make the front end out of tube. No actual reason why. So I could have just cut the tubs out and left the front end on. But I don't know. I just really wanted to make it out of tube. I always wanted like a little tube go-kart. I'm basically just gonna weld a plate there and just take the tube all the way down. There's probably gonna be one going across the center too for the radiator support. So yeah, this is it right now. One thing I'm working on right now is going to be relocating this battery because I took everything out of the front. So the battery is gonna get relocated in the trunk. I'm doing a template, that's the battery size right there, and I'm just gonna make it out of some L angle. Probably just end up putting the battery right there. I mean, I have so much free space on the floor. I have an electric radiator fan coming in, so no more clutch fan, and I have some new headlights coming in. Yeah, so we're all chopped up. You know, that's 100% my fault. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make like making battery brackets. This stuff's always fun. You know, it's simple. You can make it out of anything. And it doesn't have to be pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some battery brackets. Son. I went ahead and I put the battery inside the vehicle. I just wanted to put it right behind the passenger seat. I was working on that power cable last night. I have it ran all the way in there, and it just comes out the engine bay right here, and you know, one to the starter, one to the fuse box. I just have a couple more battery wires to do up, then that's pretty much done. And I went ahead and I picked up an electric fan for this thing because I was running off of a clutch fan before. I didn't have any problems with it exactly, so I was like, you know what, I'll just solve that with a nice and flat electric fan. So there's plenty to do electrical wise while I'm waiting for the tube bender to show up. Pretty much it for working on the Tacoma. I'm basically just getting the whole front end prepared for the tube. So hopefully in the next video we can get some tube bending going. Yeah, I've done as much as I can. I'm gonna do more with the wiring and getting the front end all situated with the radiator fan, but for now, this is probably it. This is probably good. Hopefully my tubing bender comes in the mail anytime and we can get bending. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Sorry my videos aren't as consistent as they were. Tune in next time and we'll get this thing all tube bent up. All right, see ya. Bye.